Well, first and foremost, I would like to wish all my fellow Goans compliments of season. I would like to say compliments of season. It was just Christmas yesterday, and I hope that all my Goans had a blessed Christmas. Today is the 26th of 2024, and we are just celebrating in the mood of Christmas. And I had guests at home today, and I was at home attending to guests. I had some family friends. I had my son's friends who were over here, and some of the guests who had come to invite for a wedding. And I was just serving them hot coffee. And to my surprise, I there were some other guests who visited who were like not expected, or I can say who were not welcome, but unexpected guests who came to my place, and they were from Margaon Town Police. Again, police van comes to my house. I 6:30 was around 6:30. I see some police van coming, some neighbors coming and telling me police are at your door. And when I opened the door, I see some police coming. There was this police officers. There was one lady who was sent to me, and the police went out. A police went outside my house. And when I questioned them, what is this about now? Because just last week on Sunday, prior to the Christmas Eve, prior to that, I was arrested on a Sunday where you don't get a bail. We can understand it is all done pure out of to harass me. But today the police comes and says this is a notice. This is a notice. Say police on 26th are mark kelia, that is today, and they are telling me tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock we have to be to the Fathoda police station. And the notice says it is under section 35 into bracket 3 of BNSS. Now I don't know कितले व्हडले क्रिमिनल जाला प्रतिमा and why this harassment is on. And this notice is not only served to me. The cops came and even gave the notice to my husband Savio Coutinho, who was out, but my son Pratham Coutinho received the copy on his behalf and signed it. And the copy is regarding this. This matter is regarding, if they wanted, they could have called us earlier also, maybe after New Year, whatever, but they chose the BJP government and the police department. I don't know why, but they out to that level, इतल्या लेवलाचेर आयल्या that क्रिसमस सीजन आमचो क्रिस्तांवाचो एक आमचो धर्मीक आमचो जेजूचो जल्मल्लो हें तो सीजन. एंड वी सेलिब्रेटेड विथ ग्रेट जॉय एंड pomp. I had called guests at home. They were guests for the tea party, and there was so much of excitement. And then police came and the mood was off. इतलें दुखता आयज कित्याक हांव कांय व्हडलें क्रिमिनोर न्ही, पूण नोटिसीज आयल्यो म्हाका आनी गोवाक आनी सेक्शन लायल्या. दिस इज रिगार्डिंग दॅट सुभाष वेलिंगकर हू हॅड रियली हर्ट द सेंटिमेंट्स ऑफ अ लिव्हिंग सेंट, दॅट इज सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर. आमचो पेट्रोनाक कितें कितें म्हणिल्लें तें मडे ताजेर DNA करपाक जाय. आनी you all know what it was and how many. Today I can say there are lakhs of 15, more than 15 lakhs people who have come for the exposition, and they're attending his exposition during that time and Jesus' time. When he's born, I get this notice, and this is notice says that the powers conferred under section म्हाका लायल्या सुमार 12 माय सेक्शन लायल्या. सेक्शन 35 ऑफ 1 लायला ऑफ BNNS, आनी मागीर परतून घातला FIR नंबर म्हाका दिल्या 100/24 अंडर सेक्शन 189 इंटू ब्रॅकेट 2 इंटू ब्रॅकेट 3 इंटू ब्रॅकेट 5. मागीर सेक्शन 285 लायला. मागीर सेक्शन 223A-B लायला. सेक्शन 126(2) लायला इंटू ब्रॅकेट. सेक्शन 125 324 इंटू 1 लायला. Section 132, Section 115 into bracket 2, written with Section 191 of 2 of Bharatiya Sanhita, and my 2023 Section 8B laila mujher National Highway Act laila, and Section 92 of Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 laila. And well and sangla that you have to be present tomorrow at the Fathoda police station, and you have to appear before us at the police station on 27th 12/2024 at 9 o'clock in the morning for investigation at Fathoda police station, failing of which necessary action shall be taken against you म्हणून सांगला. आणि लास्ट इन कॅपिटल घातिल्लें आसा की failure to attend comply with the terms of this notice can render you liable for an arrest ही म्हाका under section 35 into bracket 6 of BNNS. आतां म्हाका विचारूंक जाय पुलीस स्टेशन हे म्हाका फातोडा साकून धाडलां. रातचे 6:30 आयल्या पुलीस, 7:30 गेल्या आनी सकाळीं 9 पाव म्हणलां. दीस इज अ फेस्टीव सीजन. I had other commitments also of going out for dinner, but which I have cancelled now because we have to be at the police station, me and my husband Savio. I feel there are lot of problems in Goa. Like तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें सिद्दीकी सुलेमानाचे आतां सारकें वायरल जाल्लें आसा. एक क्रिमिदोर इतलो व्हडले क्रायम केल्ले आसा ताचेर इतले सेक्शन आसा तो पुलिसा साकून ताका पुलिसूच भायर काडटात ताका हुबली पावयतात परतून हाडटात ताका इतले हे आसा दॅट ही कॅन टॉक फ्रॉम द पुलीस स्टेशन ही कॅन रिमूव विडियोज सेकंडली यू कॅन सी सांकवाळ वेन आय वॉज एजिटेटींग फॉर दॅट भुतानी थंय तीग जाणांचेर आमी मॅटर घातलो दॅट दे हॅड इन्स्टॉल कॅमेराज तांचेर एफआयआर आसा तांकां धरपाक मेळना पुलिसांनी जस्ट बिकॉज आय एम अ लॉ अबायडींग सिटीजन लँड ग्रॅबिंगाची केसीस आसा जॉब स्कॅमाचे आसा ते बेलेचेर भायर आसा प्रतिमान कितें म्हणून वायट केलां जस्ट बिकॉज आय स्पीक अँड फायट फॉर गोवा अँड गोवन्स अँड दीस इज द फ्रूट आय गेट फॉर स्टँडींग फॉर सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर अरे इट इज नॉट मी दिस केस इज नॉट एफआयआर इज नॉट फ्रॉम मी आय एम टेलिंग दिस इज ऑन लॅक्स ऑफ गोवन्स हू बिलीव इन फ्रांसीस गोंयचो सायब आयज गोंयांत फक्त भारताचे लोक येवना इंडियाचे लोक येवना सबंद वर्ल्डाचे लोक आयिल्ले हू आर बिलीव इन हीम एंड हांव हें काडटा आनी न्ही जेजू आनी सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर जो आमचो पेटर्न आसा पळय ताजे पांया कडेन सोडटा कित्याक दीस इज नॉट द वे टू हॅरेस अ पर्सन अरे इट इज ऑलमोस्ट आय थिंक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 11 o'clock I have to do this video because it has hurt me because now you are giving me 6:30 तुम्ही म्हाका येवन नोटीस दिता आनी येना जाल्यार अरेस्ट करतले म्हणटा म्हणल्यार ही दादागिरी आनी धमकी न्ही लास्ट संडे म्हाका बेल दिवन आतां श्युरिटी दिवन 10,000ची 8 वर्सांची केस राम नाम सत्य म्हणून हर्ट फेल्ले म्हणटा तुमी सेंटिमेंट आनी सुभाष वेलिंगकरान जे इतले गोंयकाराचे सेंटिमेंट हर्ट केले तेका तुमी सुसेगाद सोडलेलो आसा तेका तुमी अरेस्ट करूं ना आमी फक्त मागिल्ले तेजी अरेस्ट ताजेर एफआयआर करचे म्हणून वयल्यान तो येता सुसेगाद 3-4 दिसांनी आनी तो VIP ट्रिटमेंट घेता ट्रिटमेंट घेवन वता ताजेर एकूच सेक्शन आयला BNSचें सो फाल्यां हांव वतलें बिकॉज आय एम अ लॉ अबायडींग सिटीजन आय हॅव स्टडीड लॉ आय एम लॉ अबायडींग आय वील गो I will see that I will attend the police station. I know it is going to be an investigation for us. I will comply with all. My husband also is coming. But this is not. I only want to tell Goans, please keep me in prayers because this is something very bad which is under section of 35 into bracket 3 BNS जायला म्हणून आनी बायलांच्या घरांत हेज्या पयलीं देखून म्हज्या घरांत सांजचे 7:30-8 पुलीस येयल्ली आसा समन मायनर म्हणून मागीर आमी ताका प्रूफ दिले आधार कार्ड इलेक्शन कार्ड सगळें तेन्ना ते गेले सो रातचे येतात यू कॅनॉट कम टू अ वुमन्स हाऊस विदाउट वॉरंट or any notice or without a copy of complainant you cannot come on Sunday you all came Sunday to my place arrested me sort of put me humiliated me put me in the police jeep and took me like a criminal in the police station kept me till 5 o'clock till I got a bail and today this is it but I know that my Jesus and Saint Francis Xavier काल आमचो क्रिसमस जाल्लो आसा वी आर इन टू व्हेरी होली वीक this is not the way I know my Jesus and Saint Francis Xavier's blessings and lakhs of goans you all also I'm telling you all please keep me in prayers I'm going tomorrow I'm gonna comply I'm gonna abide because I'm a law abiding citizen हे सगळ्यांक सांगता ह्या म्हाका आयज व्हिडिओ करपाक पडलो ह्या टायमार रातचे 11 कित्याक सांगपाक तुका दिस इज हाव आय बीन हॅरेस्ड फॉर वॉयसिंग आउट अगेन्स्ट द रॉंग and the one who has done wrong he is Susegad Subhash Velinkar is Susegad sitting there they were good